Hey everyone, welcome back to Akshay Escapes. This is part 2 of my Scotland travel series. Today we are diving into some of the most magical experiences this country has to offer, starting with the world famous Harry Potter train. Then we'll soak in Scotland's stunning landscapes, trek through wild trails chasing waterfalls, we'll meet some lovely animals, and finally ending our day with beautiful sunset. So sit back and relax, and let's continue this unforgettable journey through Scotland's magic and mystery. Our first stop today is the legendary Glenfinnan Viaduct. Finding parking near the entrance proved tricky, so we had to leave the car a little further away and set off on a walk of almost 20 minutes through the crisp Scottish air. As we approached the viewpoint, the scene came alive. A huge crowd had gathered, all waiting to catch a glimpse of this iconic railway stretching across the Highlands. And then, the moment we had been waiting for, the famous Harry Potter train appeared in the distance, its steam rising like a whisper across the Highlands. Crowds fell silent, cameras raised, everyone mesmerized by the breathtaking spectacle. It was one of those rare moments where the scenery, the history, and the magic of Scotland all converged into something unforgettable. We then stopped at this beautiful restaurant for breakfast, right beside the lake. After breakfast, we headed to our next stop, Steall Waterfall. To reach the majestic Steall Waterfall, we set off on a trek that would take us through some of the Scotland's most breathtaking scenery. The trail winds along the river, through lush green forest and rocky paths, offering views at every turn, rolling hills, sparkling streams, and the kind of landscape that make you stop and just breathe. The trek itself takes around 50 minutes to 1 hour each way, and although it requires some effort, every step is rewarded with a closer view of the towering waterfall ahead. Walking through this natural wonderland, it felt like we were stepping into another world, one where nature's beauty overwhelms the senses and slows down the time. And finally, the reward for our long trek through Scotland's stunning wilderness. On our way back to next stop, we parked the car and had a delightful moment feeding the Scottish cows. A simple experience surrounded by such a beautiful scenery. Next, we made our way to the famous Hagrid's hut. Unfortunately, it was closed, but our journey wasn't wasted. We were lucky enough to spot some wild deer roaming freely in the Scottish wilderness. Finally, we made our way back to Oban, where we were treated to a stunning sunset. The golden light danced across the water, illuminating the ships and birds, creating a magical end to our day. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to Akshay Escapes for more travel vlogs. Stay tuned for the next part, where we'll explore even more fascinating places in Scotland. Until then, goodbye.